We're here at, that's right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that looks like a ball. We're at the8ball.com. No, we're at gotomath.com. Working some calculus. All kinds of hidden messages going on in this website. I'm just going to warn you about all that. 616271. Isn't that what I'm doing next? Oh my God, that looks like trigonometry. So for all you business majors, you better bail out now. This is for engineering and math students, physics students, chemistry students only. Click. Anyway, now I suggest that business students learn trigonometry. Believe it or not, there's some useful stuff out there. Find the definite integral round to 3 decimal places. Quickly about subliminal messages and all that kind of stuff while I'm writing this down. And maybe you're writing it down. I don't know. Um, I got a website called huntforthecash.com. And I got a PhD in subliminal messaging. I shouldn't probably tell you that. I mean, it's not like I got an official PhD from a university, but I studied many years on it. And if you go there, you'll find some treasure hunts going on there, and take a look at some of those maps I've drawn. There's hidden objects out there, and there's actually one that has not been found yet. And 1914 coin I think I was giving away, I actually found, because I don't have any money to actually give away. But anyway, where are we at? 39 sine x dx. I'm sure there's some people out there going, man, let's just cut the BS and get on with the math, please, thank you. Next question. Well, look what we're working with. Pi thirds. So you better remember what pi thirds is, and that's 60 degrees. And then we got 11 pi sixths. Where's that at? In the plane. And then we got 39 sine x dx. Yes, it's an obsession of mine. Treasure hunts. Round to 3 decimal places. Why? Why do we want to do that? Why don't we just get the exact value? Seriously. Okay, do we remember what the integral of sine x is? Let's let f of x, I always got to review this. Let f of x equal sine of x. What is f prime of x? F prime of x is equal to cosine x. But when we take the integral of it, it's cosine x, but we got to throw a negative out front. So remember that. So the negative gets thrown out front. Rewrite that 39. And this is cosine. And we're going from pi thirds to 11 pi sixths. All right. And now we go ahead, plug everything in. So upper limit goes in. All right, upper limit goes in. So negative 39 cosine of 11 pi sixths minus, start of parentheses, always start of parentheses. We got the minus 39 cosine of pi thirds, cosine of pi thirds. So here we go. Now we got to remember, or either that or plug it into the calculator, however you want to do that. But you should know we call it sometimes the trig wheel, whatever. So cosine of, what's cosine of pi sixths? That's 30 degrees, okay? So we end up with negative 39, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh your memory here. So cosine 11 pi sixths, what is that? Square root of 3 over 2 plus 39 times, and the cosine of pi thirds is a half. So we got to keep up with that. Now let's just go ahead and do the approximation here. And I'm getting negative 14 point, what did it say about round? I always forget 3 decimal places. Oh, 3 decimal places, negative 275. 275, that's what I'm getting, negative 14.275, and it looks like that's what we get. Okay, so hopefully under the trigonometry section, shouldn't be showing you this, but somewhere in here I'll have a trig wheel or talk about it. Right, but I don't right now. Nothing's going on. Look, no problems, nothing. Forget it. Don't even go there. I do have sets though. Well, I don't have anything listed. Do we know what? Look, here's a tangent. We want to take the intersection of A intersect B. Forget it. Don't worry about it. Let's go back to calculus. Okay, so click. Or go to math.com. Practice makes perfect, and I'll see